How to redeem Temu code. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can redeem Temu code. The first thing you want to do is open the Temu app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Once you have opened the application, make sure to sign into your account by entering all of your credentials. After you have been signed into your account, you want to tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. Once you're here, you're going to find different options. Tap on Coupons and Offer option. Now you have three different tabs here: unused, used, and expired. Here you will find all of your coupons and offers. If you have a Temu promotional code, then this is the place where you can use it. Here on the unused section, you have a box. Go ahead and enter your coupon code over here. So enter it as it is. Then you want to tap on the apply option. If the coupon code is valid, it is going to be redeemed over here and you will be able to use it during checkout. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.